Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make a very simple dish, a very simple recipe, that is chicken curry. So I have taken chicken over here. This is 750 grams chicken. I have taken some potatoes cut up in this size. This is onion paste. This is ginger garlic paste. This is jeera and black pepper paste. So I'm going to use all these masalas for the chicken curry and the potato also. I hope you all will like it also. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. I have taken jeera and 2 dry red chilies. Put this in. I have taken curry leaves. This also put it in. The onion paste I will put in. I will fry the onion paste a bit. I will let it fry. Friends, you can see the onion paste is turned little bit brown. Now I will put in the salt. Put in the meat, the chicken. Now I will let the chicken fry along with this onion paste. Cover it up. Now put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in the jeera and black pepper paste. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. I have sliced up 1 onion. This also I will put in. Now let all the masalas fry together with the chicken. Put in the potatoes also. Now all this will fry together. Friends, the masala and the chicken is all fried up and the potato. Now I will put in the water. I have put the water so that the potatoes also will cook up nicely. I've put the water. Now let the water dry little bit. If you want to keep the curry gravy, you can keep it. If you want to keep the curry dry, that also you can keep it. But I will keep little gravy. So cover it up and let it cook. The chicken curry is ready. Friends, my chicken curry is ready. This recipe is ready, is very simple to make. I only used Kari Patta and all the masalas. So this is Kari Patta chicken curry. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching my video.